building, guys. I showed about it a few videos back. They're demolishing it. I'll show you. God, it looks like the orphanage when I was in the orphanage when I was a little kid. Just the shape and the colour. And the graffiti all over it. Look at that, guys. Absolutely sad. It could have been, you know, used for units or... You know, it's absolute waste. It's sad. It used to be a hospital. I parked over there. So yeah, there you go. They're demolishing a lot of it. See, that one's getting used up over there, but that one's... I just don't understand why they want to demolish it and not use it for something else. See? Demolition. I don't talk crap. Look, what a mess. Absolutely a mess. Disgusting though. You see the graffiti in there. See, that room doesn't look too bad with that fan and all that. It would have been alright if it was done up. Oh well, their loss.